Alright guys, so today we're also going to be installing the spoiler onto the Civic. There's already some pre-made holes, or not holes, but like layouts of where you can drill on both sides if you're going to be installing like a stock spoiler or something. So I'm just going to drill through these holes, and then it should be pretty straightforward. Just put the spoiler on and then it'll bolt on. Alright guys, so I already installed the spoiler. I didn't have anybody to record for me, so I had to do it myself. But I just used some random 10mm bolts that I found, and they bolted right up. You know, I didn't have to do anything else to it. These are good too, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, that's it for this quick video, guys. I'm really glad on how this turned out. If you guys think it looked good, leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe if you want to watch more. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.